The K-Brand's Auger drill bit 2-pack, retailing for about $22.98, offers an incredibly efficient way for any gardener or homeowner to make quick work of planting bulbs, digging small holes, or even setting up umbrella stands. This set is ideal for those wanting to save time and back strain when preparing their garden. This K-brand set includes two auger bits, a 1.6-inch diameter by 16-inch long and a larger 3.5-inch diameter by 16-inch long. Both feature a sturdy spiral design and a hex shaft that fits any standard 3/8 or larger power drill. The concept is simple. Let your drill do the hard work of turning and digging, making repetitive tasks like planting dozens of bulbs far less strenuous than by hand. Constructed from durable steel, these should stand up to regular garden use. The biggest benefit is undoubtedly the sheer speed and ease of use. If you've spent hours on your hands and knees digging individual holes, you'll appreciate how fast these augers work. A hole can be drilled in mere seconds. The two different sizes add versatility. The smaller one is perfect for individual bulbs or annuals, while the larger bit handles bigger bulbs, small shrubs, or pilot holes for tent stakes. Beyond speed, the consistent depth and diameter of holes make for a much neater planting job. It truly takes the backache out of gardening. Now, it's not a tool for every digging task, and there are a few considerations. First, you absolutely need a decent power drill. An underpowered drill might struggle, especially in tougher soils, and could overheat. While fantastic for many soil types, it has limits. Very rocky ground, extremely compacted clay, or areas with significant root systems can be challenging. The auger might bounce off rocks, or the drill could kick back if it catches something solid, so always hold your drill firmly. These are planting augers, not heavy-duty earth-moving equipment, not for massive excavation or drilling through concrete. Lastly, after use, the augers can get caked with mud, so a quick clean is necessary to prevent rust. So is the K-Brand's Auger drill bit 2-pack worth considering? For gardeners looking to reduce physical strain and dramatically speed up planting bulbs, annuals, or preparing small holes, it's a genuinely useful and cost-effective tool. At its price point, it delivers significant value by saving you time and effort. Just pair it with a powerful drill and understand its limitations in extremely difficult soil. For typical home gardening, this set is a fantastic addition. If the K-Brand's Auger drill bit sounds like the right tool to make your gardening easier this season, you can find more details and get it through the link in the description.